What's going on YouTube? Jacob here with Veteran Pro Wash. In this video, I want to talk about our biggest job to date, which was a $50,000 job that took place inside one of our local refineries. Now, the reason you aren't seeing footage of this job is because for those of you that might not be familiar with the industrial work or refineries, there are a few hoops that you have to jump through to be able to take pictures or videos inside of a refinery, being that they are very strict on not showcasing what different types of processing they may have going on inside, different ways that they do things. When we first got started, we never would have thought that we would even be doing industrial work because of how hard it is to get in front of the right people, the insurance that it requires your business to carry, and also being that me and Kill both did industrial work before starting this business. We always saw big companies in the field doing different types of blasting and high pressure washing. So we always thought that, oh, hey, they have a multi-million-dollar company that's handling that. You're never going to hear of a soft wash company out here doing that type of work. So one day I was talking to a family friend about the business and how things were going, and that we had managed to pick up a few gas station contracts and different things like that. And she said, oh, okay, well, I'm going to get in touch with you. I may have some work for you. And I didn't really think much of it. You know, I was like, okay, well, maybe one of her friends wants a house wash or something like that. So a few days go by, and she texts me to call her, and she says, hey, my stepdad owns a civil company that does all kinds of work in the plants. And I was like, do they want their office or something cleaned? And she said, no, I work there, and my boss, which is one of the project managers, I'll give him your phone number and y'all can set something up. I said, okay, that's fine. I get a call and it's him, and he says, hey man, such and such plants wants every building in the plant washed, and I already told them we have a company that can do it. So I need you to meet me over there around 9 o'clock in the morning to do a walk around and send them a bid. So me and Kill reschedule our house wash that we had for the next morning and push it back to that afternoon, because no matter what happens, we're going to this meeting because we know from the past they more or less aren't worried about the dollar amount. They want it done right and they want it done safe. Well, in this case, they had a bunch of corporate people coming in from different countries, from other plants around the world, and they needed it 100% complete in 2 weeks from the time of the meeting. So that also was taken into consideration when bidding the job, because now they put a deadline on it. Me and Kale and our helper at the time, we all had TWIC cards already because we all did industrial work in the past and they hadn't expired yet. So we just had to go do our sites to be able to get into the gate at the plant. We fell under the contractor's insurance. So basically, instead of working under Veteran Pro Wash, we worked under the contractor's name, so we were able to bid the job. We just pretty much had to say we worked for such and such contractor. It took us 4.5 days to complete this job, and they were so happy with it that they asked us to come back out and do all the TPO roofs on most of the buildings that we had done, and that ended up being another $20,000 job. So that being said, whenever it comes to marketing, word of mouth is your best friend, especially if you're just starting out. Justin from Forever Self-Employed, if you haven't checked him out, go check him out. He has said in some of his past videos that although you can reach a lot more people a lot faster by online marketing through whether it be Facebook, Google, however it may be, being face-to-face with someone and telling them about your business and what your business is capable of most of the time tends to stick with people a lot more than someone finding you on a Facebook or a Google ad and never putting a face to the name. You just show up to their house, they've never met you before. They don't know who you are, you don't know who they are, you don't know what they own, what they do for a living, or anything like that. You're just there to clean their house. We don't really sit and talk to the customer too much. We show up, do our job, and then we leave and come home. But at the same time, we've done multiple $10,000 plus jobs that have come from Facebook or Google. And if you're interested in Justin's Facebook marketing tactics, then go check out the link in the description to his Facebook ad strategy. Justin and his strategies has taken our business to the next level. And if you're looking to start a business with a partner or looking to bring someone in, it is not always sunshine and rainbows, as y'all have seen between me and Kale in some of our other videos. But me without Kale and Kale without me and me and Kale without Justin, I can't say that we would be as successful as we have been. Justin is the online genius. Kale has become the business genius, meaning he's landing jobs over the phone or through messaging, and I've become more of the word of mouth or pushing our business in person to different businesses and people that have become reoccurring customers for us just by putting a name to the face, walking up, shaking their hand, telling them what we do, whether I've met them or not. That being said, online marketing, although you may think it's the easiest way and you don't have to really deal with the face-to-face marketing if you're not very good at talking to people, face-to-face marketing is one of the biggest and fastest ways to spread your business. It has been for us. It's worked time and time again, whether it be a simple house wash, roof wash, somebody's local business they own, or even in this case, an industrial job that we made $60,000 off of in 2 jobs. Both jobs put together took us 6 days to do. You should be marketing in every way possible, but don't think you shouldn't be doing one or the other because you haven't had much luck from certain strategies, because we thought the same thing about face-to-face marketing until this industrial job came along, and it humbled us very fast. And now we talk to everyone we come in contact with, whether we see them on a daily basis or it's our first time meeting them, to ensure that Veteran Pro Wash stays fresh in their mind. And when somebody asks for a cleaning service, they know exactly who to get in touch with, because not only do we now have the equipment to handle almost any job that's thrown our way, but we also have built up a reputation of delivering 100% satisfaction. So y'all get out there, talk your business up, spread the word, and deliver on every single job. My name is Jacob with Veteran Pro Wash, and if you made it this far in the video, comment your most profitable job below, and y'all stay happy, humble, and big money hungry.